Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Today I want to speak to your heart. I want to talk about something that has the power to change the destiny of our country. Something that can turn poverty into prosperity, darkness into light, and dreams into reality. That thing is education. My friends, look around you. We dream of living in a developed, powerful, and respected country. But tell me, can we achieve this dream without education? No. Without education, a nation is like a bird without wings. It cannot fly. History tells us the nations that invested in education that gives their children to light of knowledge became leaders of the world. And the nation that ignored education became dependent on others. Education is not just reading books. It is learning how to think, how to solve problems, how to serve humanity. An educated farmer grows more crops. An educated engineer builds better roads and bridges. An educated doctor saves lives. An educated leader makes wise decisions for the nation. So if we want to make Pakistan advance, we must start with education. We must make our schools strong, our teachers respected, and our children curious to learn. We must educate not only boys but also every girl of this nation. Because when you educate a boy, you educate an individual. But when you educate a girl, you educate an entire family. My dear brother and sister, let us promise today that we will not let a single child remain uneducated. That we will spread knowledge like light, and when every home has the lamp of education burning. Pakistan will rise, Pakistan will shine, and the world will say, this is the nation that built its future with the power of education. Pakistan Zindabad. Musawwar Hussain Solanki.